absolutely gorgeous. You can't make it no better than what they got it now.
Unexpected with the art here, and
I'm just so glad they were able to save it and keep.
We walked through last time for the Ford open house in 2018. I just walked in here, 2 minutes ago, and it's kind of awe-inspiring.
I don't know, it's special. It's history, it's culture.
The architecture all redone, and I mean the detail.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
One thing that we didn't get was tissues.
Why is that?
The amount of emotions happening in this room is just incredible.
As soon as they come out of the cube room, somebody's in tears just because they know how many times they've driven by it and how many times it's just looked so desolate and obsolete. And now it's just so beautiful and grand. It's like, man, they turned a page in Detroit history here.
I tip my hat to the magnificence of this station, this edifice, this magnificent structure of Detroit's history and future. This is a powerful statement of vision for Detroit. I salute you.